Good morning. So this is a very awesome looking place in our houseboat over here. We are staying at the Wangnu Sheraton houseboat in Nigin Lake. So this is among the best houseboats that you'll get in Srinagar and especially at Nigin Lake, because what I have heard is this is the only houseboat which has central heating systems, that really makes you stay comfortable. And I'll trust me on that, as in you need proper heating systems in your houseboats for a very comfortable stay. Right now I am standing at this small sky deck what they have made over here. Early morning when I had come over here, it was so beautiful. The chirping of the birds, still water, and over there there's like a quite a spectacular mountain view over there, but right now it's too much of fog, so the visibility is not that clear. In the morning also I tried doing a sunrise time lapse and I flopped, and how I'll probably show some glimpse of it. That's primarily because the sky wasn't that clear. Now I'll quickly take you through the houseboat. This is the entrance to the common living area, and this is the place where in the evening people do come. Local businessmen who come over here, they set shops over here, very small shops, and then they sell shawls, artifacts, antiques and all. One best thing, this entire space is centrally heated, so in the evenings, whenever in the evenings and early mornings, the temperature is too low, so that helps big time. Guess what, Mick Jagger has stayed over here. So this is basically, this guy is Mick Jagger, and this guy is the actual owner who built this houseboat. So this is special, Mick Jagger, Nikhilesh Pillai, Sharanya Pillai, Hamil Tuppers, same houseboat. And this houseboat has been here since quite some time, and it is one of the best houseboats, especially the kind of people who take care of this and who serve you throughout. Come along, this is the dining area, again common dining area, and centrally heated. You don't have to worry about winters over here. And this is our room. This is where we stayed. Quite cozy. The best part about this room is, I'll show it to you. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and then there is this. Okay, this is really warm because these are electric blankets. So when you 3 layers of blankets over you, and you are on a very well insulated and warm layer of blanket, so the sleep is really comfortable. Now then, we have quite a cool washroom over here inside the houseboat. This is the usual closet area, and then here there is a bathtub. Well, we didn't use any of this because it's too cold, and taking a bath in this winter, sorry, not possible. While they have warm water which comes through the tap, but नहीं, हिम्मत नहीं हुई तो नहीं किया. यहाँ से अभी हम विदा लेंगे, heading to Gulmarg, and see you there in Gulmarg, and we'll be taking a शिकारा ride. तो उसमें भी कुछ glimpse बताऊंगा, and नबी जी से फिर से मुलाकात होगी और थोड़ा सा हुक्का भी मार लेंगे. So now we are heading back to the छोटा सा जो port होता है. Our driver is waiting over there, and he'll be taking us to Gulmarg. Yeah, the Nigin Club. So Nigin Club guards number 1. So there is lot of shikaras are there. So वहाँ से our driver is going to pick us up and take us to Gulmarg. I just can't get over this entire scenic beauty. मज़ा आ गया. हाय बोलो. So Nabi ji is giving me one more hookah shot over here.
मैं पिएगा भाई, फिर तू भी पिएगा.
मैं भी पिएगा.
हाँ.
So ऐसे बनता है कश्मीरी हुक्का. Now अभी मैं ट्राई करूँगा. ओके. पानी
इसके नीचे पानी होता है ना, पानी की
धक्का मार.
अच्छा मैं धक्का मार रहा हूँ.
इसको ऊपर नहीं जाता.
गुड मॉर्निंग हो गया मेरा. गुड मॉर्निंग.
सिगरेट से बेटर है ये. अच्छा ये मेरा सदरी देखो देखो चीज देखो फादर के लिए.
बोट भी हिल रहा हूँ. हिल रही.
देखो मैडम
मैं भी हिल रहा हूँ. फिट कर गया है मुझे.
नहीं आपको तो आदत नहीं है इसीलिए तो बात है. ये कुछ नहीं हुक्के के बाद अच्छा चीज.
अच्छा
ये सेहत ये इतना मुझे सेहत के लिए सब चीज मुझे है, लेकिन ये इतना मुझे नहीं है.
अच्छा.
क्योंकि ये जो ये दवा पानी में जाता है, पानी से फिल्टर होकर तब मुंह में चला जाता है. आपको तो ज्यादा दिक्कत नहीं जितना सिगरेट करेगा.
हाँ बट ये मजा आ गया मुझे.
आएगा तो मजा आएगा यार. फर्स्ट टाइम तो ये आपको याद रहेगा. आप जब ये वहाँ भी देखेगा तो बोलेगा लोग है क्या हुक्का पी लो.
आपका नाम सर?
MD
ओयूब. थैंक यू ओयूब जी.
थैंक यू.
मजा आया. So there's a slight change in our plans. I had informed that we are going to Gulmarg today, but apparently the government will be shutting down the national highway tomorrow. So we, Rafiq ji informed us that we should first do Pahalgam, because tomorrow if we try doing Pahalgam, the highway will be closed. So we have taken the NH44 which connects Srinagar to Jammu, Delhi and so on. Beautiful highway, 4-lane highway both sides. Abhi I'll catch up on some sleep and then directly see you in Pahalgam. So we are about to reach Pahalgam and the view over here is spectacular. On this side there is the mountains, okay, and a little bit of snow here and there. But down there there is like a stream, beautiful stream flowing, and that's of Lidder River. Let me just try showing that.